Can you solve all these physical anthropology questions? The study of fossils. Great job, paleontology. Study of human culture. Well done, anthropology. Study of prehistoric fossils. Accurate answer, paleontology. Anthropology has how many subfields? Well reasoned. The study of human culture is known as anthropology. What is the study of humankind called? Confident and correct. Anthropology. Biological anthropology used to be called outstanding effort. Physical anthropology. A decision reached after examining evidence. Keep it up. Conclusion. Use skeletal body remains for identification. Solid response. Anthropology. The process of replacing cartilage with bone. Exact ossification. How many branches of anthropology are there? Commendable response 4. Cultural bias in anthropology is described as very good ethnocentrism. The word anthropos from anthropology means dash. Well-articulated human, which is not a sub-branch of cultural anthropology. Right choice, biology. How long has Clemson offered a major in anthropology? Well expressed, 11 years. The study of objects to learn about past human life. Archaeology is correct. Describes the similarities and differences in culture. Excellent work. Cultural anthropology? This is the study of the origins of people and societies. Nice work, anthropology. In which branch of anthropology would genetics be studied? That's accurate. Biological anthropology. What is not one of the primary 4 fields of anthropology? Logical choice, business anthropology. The study of humans from a biological perspective is called. You got it, physical anthropology. What is the systematic study of people and cultures known as? Perfect choice, anthropology. Study of humanity from a broad and biological perspective dash. Nicely done, anthropology. The physical record of a person's life as told by their bones. Valid point, osteobiography. Studies the biological dimensions of humans and other primates. Right, physical anthropology. This is everything that a person learns as a member of a society. That's it, culture. Is the physical duration of sound is referred to as its quantity. Correct response, length. Dash is the study of human culture and how it develops over time. Strong answer, anthropology. Something that shows proof or an indication that something is true. Well supported, evidence. Dash is the study of the past by looking at what people left behind. Excellent reasoning, archaeology. Which of the following is not a sub-branch of physical anthropology? Ethnolinguistic, great work. Which of these is most closely associated with cultural anthropology? Smart thinking, social sciences. What is the study of human origins, evolution, and diversity known as? Bravo, anthropology! A class of individuals with similar physical characteristics are called species. Well done. Investigation of past cultures through the excavation of materials remains. On track, archaeology. Which field of anthropology studies the relationships of people in groups? Precise answer, social anthropology. Which of the following studies the remains and artifacts of ancient people? Good job, archaeology. It investigates and seeks to understand the cultural features of societies. Clear and correct cultural anthropology. It deals with the archaeological sites on land, both open and cave sites. Thoughtful answer, terrestrial. Which field of anthropology studies the language structure of the Seminoles? Yes, linguistic anthropology is right. An anthropologist examines a decomposed body to determine the cause of death. Confident and correct, cultural anthropology. What is the scientific study of past human cultures and civilizations called? That's accurate, archaeology. All the physical objects or artifacts that people make and attach meaning to. Exactly, material culture. Which field of anthropology studies the symbols, laws, and values of a society? Perfect choice, cultural anthropology. Studies the way of life of contemporary and historically recent human societies. Outstanding effort, cultural anthropology. Which field of anthropology studies the artifacts of ancient Mayan civilizations? Archaeology, great work. Looks into the biological development of humans and their contemporary variation. On-track physical anthropology. All the physical things that people create and attach meaning to. Nicely done, material culture. Which anthropology studied the Yanomami indigenous peoples in the Amazon rainforest? Well done, Napoleon Chagnon! DNA found only in the mitochondria that is inherited through mothers, never fathers. Precise answer, mitochondrial DNA. What is the application of the techniques of biological anthropology to solve crimes? Valid point, forensic anthropology. The field of science that would be involved in identifying skeletal remains is called. Logical choice, forensic anthropology. This theory believes that each society has its own particular historical development. Strong answer, historical particularism. The study of origin, behavior, as well as the physical, social, and cultural development. Very good anthropology. This branch of anthropology looks at past cultures by studying their material remains. Excellent work! Archaeology studies the interrelationships between language and other aspects of a people's culture. Right choice, linguistics. Which field of anthropology studies how people in a society communicate with each other? Yes, linguistic anthropology is right. The practical use of anthropological theories and methods outside the academic setting is... That's it, applied anthropology. Uses anthropological perspectives, theory, and knowledge to solve real-world problems dash. Excellent reasoning, applied anthropology. Which of the following studies culture from their belief systems, practices, and possessions? Well-reasoned, cultural anthropology. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Keep it up, contact Narayan Changder.